Ricky and Poppin', it's Emmett, and Graydon's not here today, but I'm still gonna be doing a video, and it's my friend Joey. Hey! You can go check out his channel. It's Because We're Crazy.
Yeah, I should have brought my camera, but
he's vlogging right now on his phone.
Vlogging a vlog?
We're vlogging on our phones.
Wait, how do you vlog a vlog? Wait,
His is going that way.
oh, his is going this way. Hey guys, what's up? It's Because We're Crazy here. Guys, make sure you go check out Because We're Crazy.
Yeah, get that merch. And today we're gonna be watching some fireworks. We have there's so much. I'm at a team party for my brother's team, and okay, just look how much there is.
Keep the shit moving. Is John in there?
Look how much there is. There's so much. Look how big these are. Those are gonna be like
500?
That's gonna be so much.
Wait a second,
That's $150.
there's
Oh my god, that is insane.
$250. Guys, look at that.
That what? Look at this.
It's a waste.
220
Why don't you have a
shots.
switch?
He's got bananas.
200. Yeah, I got bananas on my box.
Okay, guys, I'll be right back.
Huh? Yeah, they're sweet.
Guys, I'll be right back.
Okay, guys, so we are back. I just did a quick stop there, and yeah, sure. They're launching fireworks. Look how many people are here. There's so many people.
Oh, I like that smell.
That's supposed to be a
Hey, Alex. That look, you can't see it on camera, but yeah.
You recording?
Yeah. I'm vlogging, bro. So, fireworks are gonna be launching right about out there, where the smoke is.
You can't
see. It's like right there. And we're gonna be watching those. So
800. I've been around since this country.
I'll be
was-
back when they start. Bye.
What is it?
Oh, what is it? It's a bomb? Oh, here it goes. Oh my god. Bro, that's so loud.
I think I just.
That is so loud.
It looks like it's.
I thought it's like something little small.
I thought it was
and
gonna
it
be a
just,
smoke grenade. I was gonna run up to it and
dude,
pick it up.
it was so loud. They've already launched off like 2 of those, but I wasn't out here for them.
3 of them.
Yeah, that was the 3rd, but
Dude, that was like
what?
I'm stealing the vlog.
I need me some custom
Are you
pop
supposed
stuff.
to do it sideways?
I don't know. No, I do mine like this.
But then it doesn't come out right on film.
Sideways, it comes out like bars. Sounds good.
So straight up and down.
Straight up and down's better.
It's like this.
It looks stupid. It's not. Like
Wait, so when you film sideways, what
when you
does it
film
look like?
sideways, it's got your video and then 2 blank bars. When you film like this,
Oh, it's like
the
in the
full
middle.
video. Like no, it's not in the middle. It's the full video.
Oh,
You
I
want the
didn't
full
know
video.
that.
I didn't know that until I started uploading, and then I just deleted them. And then I noticed that.
Here, film me.
You'd think.
Film me. Okay.
We got this. Yo, you need the lighting.
We'll see.
I can't. You know what? Wait. Yeah, it's a good idea. Wait. I gotta put the flashlight on my phone. There we go.
Do you see me?
It's nice. Bro, you can't. Okay, yeah, you can, sort of.
Oh, I can't see. That's
That backflip's hard. You hit that back. Wait, I'm gonna use this pop socket. Wait, I've never used one before. Oh, there we go, dude. That's sweet.
Sweet.
Okay.
If there's a bomb, dude, I'm running.
Okay, I'll show you.
Enough
We'll
showing.
be back when the next firework is shooting.
Oh!
See ya. Okay, guys, so I'm back. It is not the, what a weirdo. It is actually not the fireworks time yet, but, he's weird. Yeah. Yeah, I know. He's a weirdo. He's a weirdo.
An iPad is a phone, you idiot.
Oh my god. Okay, do a front flip. Oh, what a beast. Oh my god. Oh,
This kid's a wimp.
yeah. Josh, Joey. This is a quick skit, then we'll go out and watch the fireworks.
Bro, go over there. You gotta get the good, like.
Ow, my leg. Ow. You've done that like 20 times in a row.
You're doing a baby flip.
You gotta actually do it. Here, catch.
Ah. Wait, stop.
Ready?
Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. I went. Yeah, I just did it and landed on my feet.
Josh! I just did it, bro!
Guys, where's your bathroom?
Here, come here, follow me. Right there.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Yeah. I did it! Ready? I cannot see. This is what Josh does. He goes, he goes, love suck! What do you say then? Now you're saying Narnia.
You gotta say being a warrior.
Oh my god. You went like this and then did it.
I'm gonna see if I can do my front flip.
Oh,
You guys ready?
it's the second verse. Forget about the first. Look, go like this. Okay.
I know how to do it!
Move, I got this.
No, when we were
Vlog us.
when Jerry was
Video
here, he
us.
was just like this.
Oh yeah, that's how you're supposed to warm
He was
up.
like,
I watched a video on how to do it.
I don't watch no videos. I just teach myself.
Well, nobody likes you.
Boy, ha!
He's censored. He doesn't have a shirt on.
Censored. Ah! Here, vlog video. us.
Second verse. Forget about the first.
copyright him, please!
I'm gonna do it. I wasn't actually playing the song.
I know.
Copyright. It's the. I'm gonna see if I can get. I don't know if I don't.
Thanks, bro. Oh yeah, you can do front flip on ground. I can do a backflip. Oh my! I never tried a front flip, but you know I could probably do it 'cause I'm savage.
Get out of the way. Stop.
Oh yeah, do a backflip.
I can't. Stop. See.
Just go. Ah!
Stick that looks there.
Ready? The Josh front flip. Lobster! Ah! Ow! Ow! My head. Nice one.
Just stop. Stop. That's just stupid. Put it back.
That was smart.
That's just stupid.
Bye, guys. See ya.
No.
It's
I want to
the
do mine.
copywriting of the song.
Can't sing it. Then I get copyrighted.
These lip sacks, wait.
I have one.
Anyone, get over there.
Okay.
Don't press y'all. Okay, squish it more.
It's the second verse. Forget about the first. Okay, go.
Look how high that is.
So what? I landed on my feet on it.
Nope.
Oh yeah.
We squish down.
Ready?
What's your pros?
No, I'm the pro. What'd you say? That was lit? You can't even do it on the ground. Oh yeah.
You good, bro?
You can't do. You got no room to talk.
Ready? Watch out. Move. Move. Cause I'm vlogging, bro. Ready? Oh! Oh!
Good, bro?
You threw that soccer ball right at me.
It's actually a volleyball.
Still. Nice one, Latte. Ready? I need to redo this. There's no balance on that.
Wait, recording. Because I've never done this before.
Punch him, punch him.
Go over there.
Punch him.
Go over there. Because I've never done this before.
It's the second verse. Oh my god, bud.
Everyone record this!
Everyone, there's only two of us here. Go.
Me, bro!
Oh my god. Fail.
I slipped on that
Hey, you're stepping on my phone.
Oh yeah, you're welcome. Ready?
That thing is.
Ready? Oh, I dropped the cam.
The camcorder.
Ah,
Okay, I'm pretty good at this. I'm actually going to do it.
you can't.
Yes, I can. Get out. Get out, boy.
That's not on ground. Alright.
I stubbed my toe!
You stepped on your toe.
Stubbed my toe.
It didn't hurt.
That's gonna knock you over.
It's not a real front flip.
Yeah, we're just going to Photoshop it.
This is. Guys, this is all edited.
The dang cushion flip.
This is all edited.
Yeah, this is. What is this? Got the K99. Yeah.
We're on 7.
Oh my god, I got that on camera! Bro, you just did a front flip and kicked that thing.
I'm done for the day.
It's. Oh!
Yeah, if you get hurt once.
I'm done for the day, guys. If you like die, give me a T.
Give you a T.
Give me a T. Give me a T.
Ready?
Right now.
Dive.
Oh, my foot.
Watch out. Why is that there? I'm gonna try one.
I think I'm gonna get to you when the fireworks start. So, bye.
Please leave a like for me.
Okay, guys. So, what? What'd you even say?
No.
Oh. Well, apparently we missed some fireworks when we were inside. Quit saying gay.
We're not.
Yeah, you are. Catch some of that?
Yeah.
Sorry. Well, we missed some, but that's gonna be the end of the vlog. Make sure to check out his channel. Because we're crazy. But they post daily.
Oh, you
No, I'm kidding. They don't. Because they're not as high of a YouTube channel as us. But I'm kidding. They actually have.
Get the merch sales.
Yeah, get the merch sales.
Guys, here is the name. Can you see it?
Over here a little more.
I ripped the letter off. Don't know why. I'm an idiot.
Because we're crazy. Go check it out.
the logo.
And that is the logo.
Mm-hmm.
It's the bee with the crazy eyes and big eyes. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. And, yeah, subscribe. Like the video.
Leave a like and subscribe. Peace.